Hey, all right, everybody, look, I got another box. Right, so what's inside this box? Well, inside this box is quite a big, large security camera. So let's have a look what's inside the box, then install this up there. You can't see it, but it's up there. I got a camera up there. I'll show you that first, where I'm going to put it. Then we'll have a look what's inside this box, and then we'll stick it up there and see if it's any good. Okay then, so above my head, up there, I don't know if you can see that up there, it's quite an old camera. It's been there maybe 3, 4, maybe even 5 years ago. I can't remember how long ago I installed it. So it's getting a bit outdated. So we'll put this new camera up there that's substantially bigger, and the camera actually rotates back and forth. So it'll have a much bigger area. It can see that way. It can see down that way. It can see by here, by the shed as well. So it can catch loads of things. So let's look inside the box, and then we'll get it up there and we'll see what it's like. Okay then, so let's open the box up and see what it's all about. Now, before I open the box up, it says on the front there, Zosi wireless smart security camera. You can see it's got a lot of stuff going on by there. App Store for the Apple or Google Play. So let's have a look inside. Let's see what's inside. Let's get it open. And we've got quick start guide, smart IP camera. Then we've got the big camera part itself there. We'll get to that in a minute. What's this by here? Now we've got some little bits by here for putting the wires through and stuff. We've got an actual transformer there, look, to power it. And we've got some screws to attach it to the wall. And then we've got these wires here, like that there, to extend it. I assume that's to extend for the power. And then we've got the actual camera itself and the mount. So there's the mount there. There we go. Okay. And then if I just take that out of there like that, so you can still see it. And there's the camera there. It's quite big. I don't know if you can see it from, just watch it doesn't fall. Let me move the box to the side there. And there we go. That's the camera there, look. Quite big, isn't it? And this moves back and forth, up and down, side to side, in and out, and around and round. Now, it does come with a template, so it comes with a template with the 4 bolt holes already marked up. This is a piece of sticky paper, so I'll stick that up there. I'll take that thing there, up there. I'll take that thing down, and then I'll put this thing, that there, up there, and I'll drill some holes. Right, okay, I got a small drill bit first. Let's go up the ladder. Try and go up there without holding on, because I'm holding on to the camera, which is dangerous. I got the sticker up there, look. I got the sticker on there. I've already used one of the holes from the previous camera, so I've already got one hole there, and then I'll drill a hole there, one there, and one there. And there we go. It doesn't stick on the wall very well, but it'll stick on there enough just to mark it for the holes. So I'll drill them holes, and then we'll come back and fit the bracket on there. Okay, so there we go. I've used the 4 screws provided. They're not that long, I gotta be honest, they're not that long, but they should be sufficient for these screws to hold up the whole unit. I've put the wall plugs in as well. So I'll just screw this in, and then the wires go through there. They come out under here. Actually, I should have put this in first, so I'll have to take that back off because I won't be able to get the wires down under here. Anyway, I'm going to wire this. The wires are going to come down here, then up in a hole by here, along there. I've already got this wired up. That goes down there, and it goes down to a socket to power it in there. So I'll do all the wiring, I'll put all that through, and then we'll have a look what the camera's like and see if it's any good. I'll download the app as well, and we'll have a look how good it is. Now, there is a little screw here, look. I took that out of the packet, and you can screw that into there to secure everything together. So let me just screw that in by there, like so. Almost done. There we go. So that's screwed into there. That's on the wall. I got the wires coming down here, then they're going up into my little box by there. So if you're going to do this outside, I suggest that you do it similar to the way I've done it. Obviously, whichever way you do it, you might want to put the wires straight through the wall. This is the way I've done it. if you want the wires outside the wall and go somewhere else, use a box. It doesn't have to be this big, but I'm just showing you as an example. That's poking down through there. So there we go. So that's that bit all done. Now I got to get the wire from there. Now this is either a hardwire Ethernet there, look. And that's the power supply there. And it's obviously Wi-Fi as well. So I'll run the power wire down through this now, down that little thing there, and we'll power it up and I'll download the app. Now the camera comes with this little metal thing here, which I think is for, let me go up this ladder and I'll show you. Up the ladder here, like that. If I look at this camera up here now, the top one, there, it's got a little device there. I don't know if you'll be able to see on the camera there, that turns the lens upside down. It's not a massive amount of movement, but it does give you a little bit of scope to turn it up and down. Now underneath here as well, just under here, by here, look, if I pull this little door open there, that's where you put the SD card in there. That's not showing very well, is it? But the SD card goes up in by there. And there's a little rubber thing you close by there as well. Okay then, so I got the camera all installed. I've downloaded the app. Now once I downloaded the app, there's a QR code on the side of the camera as well. You scan that, log in, do all your details, and the app is connected to the camera. It connected really quickly and easily. There was no drama, so it's all connected up. So let's open up the app and see what it's like. Now, at the top of the app there, you can subscribe to cloud services. I'm not sure how much it is. You get a first month or so free. So there's that. Now I have put an SD card in there, like I showed. So let's click on the driveway cam there, and it opens up. And then you should see, once it opens up, you should see the top camera and the bottom camera. So I'll just move across by here a minute, so you can see me in the top camera. There's a little green box around me. And if I come by here then, you should be able to see me in the bottom camera. Now, if I click this little button here, I can move this camera around. I can physically move the camera around that way, that way. Let's go back that way. Let's go up. Let's go up, look, and then across. So you can see that this camera has got quite a big scope. There's the driveway, look. And I can go right the way around the other side, like so, if I keep going. And I can face to the back of the house as well. The back of the wall, that is. Let's go that way a little bit further. There we go, there we go. So there we go. Let's go around that way, point it that way. So you can see, oh, and it also goes down as well. So it goes down quite low. Look, right to the floor. You can see my hose pipe there. So let's put that camera back up and around by me. Let's go back this way. Down a bit. Where am I? There's the camera. Where am I? There I am, look, man with the Crocs on. Right. Okay, so trying to get it back on me. So there we are. It's on me now, okay? And if I click this button up the top of here, I think it's on dual lens. You can have dual lens turned on, live streaming screen will display. I can have linkage tracking, so let's try that. I think the bottom camera will track me, so let's just check that now. Let's go back to the camera and let's see if it's got me in a box now. It's got me in a box like so. If I walk this way, is it going to track me? Yeah, it's moving. Hello. There we go. It's tracking me. It's tracking me. It's tracking me. Or if I go a bit faster, hey, woohoo, aha. No, it's still tracking me, look, right? So there we go. So there's the camera, there's the settings. If I click on the settings there, like I said, it's got smart alert, message settings, dual lens, intelligent algorithm, private mask settings. I think that's where you can block out certain areas. Night vision mode, time setting, network settings, wiggle, Wi-Fi signal detection, mirror image, recording mode. It looks like it's, let me just click on the recording mode. I got full-time recording, so that's recording to the SD card I've popped in the bottom. I don't know what that off and on is, but there, HD mode. Let's have a look at that there. There we are, I'm in HD mode. You've got smooth mode, HD mode. Let's try HD mode and see if that looks a little bit better on the screen. There we go. It actually does look better. There is a slight delay. There's a slight delay with any sort of Wi-Fi camera. There's a slight delay. I don't know if you can see on there if I go, oh, hey! See, that's the delay. Do it again. Oh, hey! Hey! So that's the delay on the camera, which is not bad actually. Look, it's moving. It's trying to track me all the time. It's trying to track me. It's trying to see where I'm going. Going over here. There we go. So it is a pretty good camera, and also it's got a nice bit of presence because I've got the small blink cameras that you can't quite see. I do prefer this because you can see it. It's massive. Right, so that's my review of the Zosi security dual lens camera, which I think is quite good. It's all working perfectly at the moment. I've had no glitches and everything's working fine. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hi!